Thanks for watching, everyone. Give us a big thumbs up if you like this trip, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates.
Today on Andrewa MH Reviews, we've got something that is absolutely impossible to ignore. I mean, seriously, this motorhome looks like it's moving at 100 miles per hour, even when it's parked. This thing is literally on fire. Well, visually at least. And trust me, this is one of the boldest, most aggressive designs I've ever seen on a motorhome. Right away, the first thing that hits you is that insane flame wrap. The entire body is covered in these blazing graphics that flow from front to back, giving it this high-performance, almost racing-inspired look. It's not subtle, it's not trying to blend in. This motorhome is built to stand out everywhere it goes. Whether you're driving through the city or parked out in the desert like this, there's no way anyone is not looking at this. Now, underneath all that visual drama, you've got a compact Class C style motorhome layout. The overcab sleeping section extends above the driver's area, giving you extra interior space without making the vehicle too long or difficult to handle. And that's actually one of the biggest advantages here. This is something you could realistically drive without needing a commercial license, unlike those massive luxury rigs we usually look at. Looking at the front, it's based on a modern van chassis with a clean grille design, sharp headlights, and a slightly aggressive stance that pairs perfectly with the flame graphics. The black wheels and low-profile tires also add to that sporty vibe, making it feel more like a custom build than a traditional RV. As we move along the side, you'll notice the practical features are still all here. You've got storage compartments integrated into the lower body, access panels, and side windows that bring in natural light. The flame design actually wraps seamlessly across all of these elements, which shows a lot of attention to detail in the finish. This isn't just a sticker job, it's a full visual concept. Now, stepping inside. While we can't see everything here, a motorhome like this typically packs a very efficient and functional layout. You're likely getting a compact kitchen area, a small dining or seating space, and a sleeping area both above the cab and toward the rear. It's designed to maximize space while still giving you everything you need for road trips, weekend getaways, or even extended travel. What makes this one different, though, is the personality. Most motorhomes play it safe. They go with neutral colors, simple designs, and a focus on blending in. This one does the exact opposite. It's expressive, it's bold, and it feels like it was built for someone who wants their vehicle to reflect their personality. And honestly, that's something we don't see enough of in the RV world. Now, let's talk about where this motorhome really shines: road presence. Imagine pulling into a campsite, a rest stop, or even just driving down the highway. This thing instantly becomes the center of attention. It's the kind of vehicle people take photos of, the kind of build that sparks conversations. At the same time, it's still practical. Compared to those massive multi-million-dollar motorhomes, this is something that's far more accessible. It's easier to drive, easier to park, and more versatile for different types of travel. So you're getting that head-turning design without completely sacrificing usability. Of course, it's not going to have the same level of luxury or space as the larger high-end motorhomes, but that's not the point here. This is about style, individuality, and making a statement on the road. Now, who is this really for? This motorhome is perfect for someone who wants adventure, but doesn't want to look like everyone else doing it. Maybe you're into road trips, festivals, outdoor travel, or just exploring new places, but you want something that stands out and feels unique. This is exactly that kind of vehicle. It's also great for content creators, travelers, or anyone building a personal brand around lifestyle and movement. Because let's be honest, this thing is basically a rolling thumbnail. You don't need to try hard to get attention when you're driving something like this. So, final thoughts. This motorhome is fun, it's bold, and it completely breaks away from the traditional RV design language. It may not be the biggest, and it may not be the most luxurious, but it might just be one of the most memorable. And sometimes, that's what really matters. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more unique and exciting motorhomes right here on Andrewa MH Reviews. And I'll see you in the next one.